Hey guys, so yesterday I didn't actually upload a video, and that was because I was out all day and I completely forgot. You know, I did record one, but I was so busy. I did it when I had like a minute free, literally, and I said to myself, when I have some time and I have some Wi-Fi, and that I'll upload it. But as I said earlier, I completely forgot to do it. You know, and I remember I woke up this morning and I was really annoyed and upset because I didn't upload it. I was like, no, I forgot to upload it. It's my first day in like about 120 days. You know, I forgot to upload it. And I started beating myself up about it because it was so simple. Like, I'd already recorded the video. All I had to do was just upload it, and doing that is just pressing like a couple of buttons, and it would have taken like a few minutes because it was only like a 20 or 30 second video. You know, and I was beating myself up so much about it that it was starting to put me in a bad mood. So then I had to stop myself. I had to stop my thoughts, and I said, look, nobody is perfect. You know, everyone makes mistakes, but it's how you deal with them that matters. And I had two choices. You know, I could have been mad and I could have been grumpy all day and probably wouldn't have been very productive. You know, or I could say, look, it's happened. No worries. Let's just get on with my day. And so I said the latter. You know, I'd already done the video. I just hadn't uploaded it. So I didn't feel like that I didn't do anything. I still did something. So I just uploaded it this morning. You know, and then I carried on with my work, and I've got to say it's been really quite a productive day. You know, all I'm trying to say is don't try to be perfect all the time. You know, you're far better off being 80 to 90% there and to still keep on going when you fail or you have a bad day. You know, rather than trying to be 100% perfect all the time and then quitting when you just can't maintain that. You know, we're not robots. We can't do everything perfect. We're human beings and we're imperfect. So if you miss a day, if you miss a workout or whatever it is, you know, don't beat yourself up about it. Just make sure you do it next time and you don't stop. That's the main thing. If you miss a day, it doesn't matter. What you have to make sure is you do it the next day and you carry on with it. It's when you stop and you don't do it anymore after that is when it's bad. But if you miss a day, it doesn't matter. All right, guys? Don't try to be perfect every single day because it's just not possible. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.